I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be the settings, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination, power key and volume down, and let's hold down simultaneously those two keys. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as device took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. It's important to do it really simultaneously for 2 seconds. And now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your pictures, let's use upper bar and tap screenshot captured. You can also accomplish that by using the home screen. Find here and select the gallery, or photos, it will be the same in that case. Tap get started, tap continue, and here you should find your screenshots right here. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.